Can we just say that I really outdone myself here? Because do y'all see these brows? So for this look, you'll need a spoolie, an angled brush, concealer brushes, either an eyebrow pomade or an eyebrow pencil, a concealer that is a shade or two lighter than your foundation, and some setting powder. So I'm going to go ahead and start brushing through my eyebrows. I wasn't able to get them threaded because of the mall being closed, but this would be the time where you would pluck any unwanted hairs from your eyebrows. Then I'm going to take my pomade and I'm going to start to underline the bottom of my brows. So how I do my brows is that I outline them starting with the bottom and then I start to fill them in. So as you see, I'm outlining my brows starting with the bottom.
I'll be on the go, and I know what to do. If you let me, baby, I'll show. I promise when I make it, I take you out on the road. Never chasing hoes, it's just me and you, girl, you know. Cross my heart, I swear to God, I never lie to you. My ride or die through on the ride, I'm on the side of you. We hit the mall and buy it all, I'm getting flow with you. Spending all the time with you.
I'm going to begin to start filling in my brows, starting from the back and working my way to the front. I'm going to lessen the product as I get to the front of the brow because I want that gradient effect.
Cross my heart, I swear to God, I never lie to you. My ride or die through on the ride, I'm on the side of you. We hit the mall and buy it all, I'm getting flow with you. Spending all the time with you, girl, you so reliable.
So here I am doing the same thing on the other brow. Again, starting on the bottom of my brow, I'm outlining it. Then I'm going to go to the top and then start filling it in from the back of the brow. Now on to one of my favorite, most satisfying parts is concealer. So I take my concealer and I start at the front of my brow, slowly dragging the product, outlining the bottom of my brow. To get a more precise application of the concealer, I like to raise the arch of my eyebrow with my ring finger so I can really concentrate on outlining the bottom part. We hit the mall and buy it all, I'm getting flow with you. Spending all the time with you, girl, you so reliable. Just wait a minute, I'll be there, I'm in the studio. Just let me focus, I'll be there, I'm in the studio. Just wait a minute, I'll be there, I'm in the studio. Trying to take my niggas to all the places they couldn't go. Cross my heart, I swear to God, I never lie to you. My ride or die through on the right, I'm on the side of you. We hit the mall and buy it all, I'm getting flow with you. Spending all the time with you, girl, you so reliable. Just wait a minute, I'll be there, I'm in the studio. Just let me focus, I'll be there, I'm in the studio. So as you can see here, I'm going back in with another concealer that is a little bit darker. I do this to kind of get the right color or shade that I want under my brow as a highlight. So now moving on to the top of my brow, I'm going to take the concealer and drag it along to outline the top as well.
It's like 2 in the morning in a dorm room. Connect shit. CNCT. Royalty. Yeah. Yeah. Look, wake up, I stare at the ceiling. Nobody listen, but I keep my vision. Only thing stuck on my mind is the millions. Only thing stuck.
Now I'm going to take my small beauty blender and just blend out the concealer.
Only thing stuck on my mind is the millions. Only thing stuck on my mind is the millions. Yeah, I just gotta get paid, yeah, get paid and get away. I just gotta get paid, yeah, get paid.
Now I'm going to set my concealer with powder. I'm taking my Mercier translucent powder in the shade medium deep, and I'm just going to go over and set the concealer. And this is basically how I do my brows.
I'm proud of the rap like a surgeon at work. That's the way that I act. Family dependent, so I keep my visions of winning. Let me go way past the ceiling.
So this is the final look. If you guys have any questions, just let me know, and I'll see you all in my next video.
Who ain't with it, I promise myself to stay true to